Show me your friends and I will show you your future. The voices we let in shape our lives. Meet Tyler Brooks, a young man with big dreams and a sketchbook full of designs. Tyler wanted to launch a clothing brand that inspired hope and faith. But his friends didn't share his vision. Their conversations were shallow, focused on gossip and fleeting fun. When Tyler shared his ideas, he was met with indifference, leaving him discouraged and alone. He loved his friends, but their company drained his ambition. The Bible says, "As iron sharpens iron, so one person sharpens another." Tyler felt his iron was rusting. He yearned for connection, for someone who understood his dreams. He prayed for a sign, a friend who could see the man God was calling him to be. Sometimes the first step to growth is realizing your circle is holding you back. Tyler was ready for change. One day, Tyler got a message from Marcus, an old friend from church. Marcus invited him to a group focused on goals, faith, and building things that matter. Tyler hesitated, but the invitation sparked hope. He decided to go. The group was different, full of energy and purpose. People discussed business, service, and faith. Tyler met a web developer and a writer, both passionate about making a difference. Here, dreams were met with encouragement, not silence. The contrast was clear. His old circle dragged him down, this new one lifted him up. Marcus told him, "These are the people who will hand you a hammer when you want to build." Tyler left inspired, feeling a rush of fresh air in his life. Sometimes a single invitation can change your direction. Tyler quietly shifted his time, choosing purpose over empty routine. He started meeting his new friends for coffee and prayer, filling his days with meaning. When he shared his clothing brand idea, they offered support and practical help. Their encouragement fueled his creativity. His sketchbook filled with bold designs and clear messages. Proverbs says, "Walk with the wise and become wise." Tyler was learning, growing, and integrating his faith into his work. His new friends checked in, encouraged him, and held him accountable. He was no longer a lone dreamer. He was part of a team. The right voices turned his doubts into action. Tyler's dreams finally had room to grow. Your circle can be the difference between stagnation and progress. Tyler launched his online store quietly with 3 faith-inspired t-shirt designs. Orders trickled in, but messages of support poured out. His new friends became his first customers, models, and cheerleaders. When setbacks came, they reminded him of God's faithfulness and helped him persevere. They celebrated every small victory, proving the right company helps you do good, not just feel good. Tyler's brand, Woven Faith, began to grow, not just because of quality, but because of the story behind it. He shared his journey online, inspiring others to seek better circles. He realized he wasn't just selling shirts, he was spreading hope. The seeds of his success were planted in the good soil of wise company. With the right people, Tyler built more than a brand. He built a life of purpose. Your circle shapes your story. Choose it well. To the dreamer watching this, your circle is your destiny. The people you listen to will shape your life. If your friends drain your spirit or belittle your ambitions, you're choosing a cage, even if the door is open. Seek out encouragers, builders, and those who inspire you to grow in faith. Distancing from unhelpful influences isn't pride, it's wisdom. Invest your time with people who breathe life into your dreams. The dreams God planted in you need good soil and sunlight. Take a look at your circle. Are they lifting you up or holding you back? Choose faith, encouragement, and wise company. Build a life that honors God and brings you joy. Your future is calling. Make sure your circle calls you upward.